Hello, welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2017 67 Reg 335D M Sport Saloon. The vehicle is presented in black sapphire metallic, and on this vehicle comes with the full genuine BMW Mperformance kit, as well as some very nice BMW options. So at the front then you can see the LED lights. The alloy wheels are the genuine 19-inch 704M BMW alloys in jet black. Behind those are the M Sport Plus brakes, as the car has also got the M Sport Plus package. So at the front then, that's the genuine Mperformance front splitter and black kidney grills. Down the side, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the Mperformance decals. The car has also got the carbon mirror caps, as you can see there. It's a really nice little touch. Sun protection glazing, again as part of the M Sport Plus package. Has also got the comfort access, as you can tell by the little sensor bars on the door handles. I'll show that off to you in a moment when I go around to the other side. We've got the black Dakota leather interior. It's got the electric movement memory for driver's side, as well as both being heated. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to the Plus package. And of course, being a 335D, it does come with the wonderful 8-speed and X-Drive system as well. So that's the four-wheel drive. You can see in the back there is a 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench, and we've fortunately also got the split folding seat option on this car. Central folding armrest. If I just lean over and quickly flick that up for you, you can see all of it is in really great condition on this hugely spec 335D Sport. Round towards the back of the car, again there is a carbon rear spoiler which looks absolutely fantastic on this black sapphire 335D. Satin rear diffuser, rear reversing camera, as well as front and rear sensors. If we pop open the tailgate, you can see in there all of which has been kept in really nice condition. Round onto the other side of the car then, again all of it is in really superb condition. The car looks absolutely incredible with the BMW Mperformance kit and of course all of its options. Inside the car, we'll quickly just show off that comfort access package. So you just have to have the key on yourself, and you can lock and unlock the car really simply. Like you see, that's now locked, and I can walk back up to it and unlock the car. It's a really convenient feature and one that is great to have at all times. So inside the car then, we've got the professional wide nav and media. We'll get the car started up and go through a few features and functions. We've got the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, paddles for that 8-speed. It's covered just over 45,000 miles, sorry. Does also come with a heads-up display, as you can just about make out there. So it's got our current speed and the road sign speed alert as well. In terms of that professional wide system then, there you can see we've got the nav open. There's Bluetooth, telephone and audio, as well as Apple CarPlay. Really nice to have that, as well as the regular Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, music collection, AUX and USB line in front. If we go into the vehicle service status then, you can see everything is in green. It's not due a service for 6,000 miles. Up at service history, full BMW history with this car, to be expected with just how great the car has been looked after, and with all the money that would have had to have spent to get it to this spec, and with that genuine BMW Mperformance kit, it's not surprising that the previous owner has very well looked after the car. So there is a look around this superb 335D M Sport Saloon. If you'd like any further information on the car, simply check out the links I'll leave for you in the description. Thank you all very much for watching. Do of course take care, and we shall of course look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, bye bye.